Hi, welcome today. I'm Chris. I am just south of Salt Lake City and excited to talk to you, even though it is over 100 degrees out there today. But I'm happy to announce I am a new grandmother of a beautiful granddaughter born on the 4th of July, and that makes 12, and I'm so excited. But anyway, I'm excited also to talk to you today about digestion and rebuilding your gut. And even though I usually focus on what women over 50 need, this is really for everyone. So listen up and let's get started. Uh, uh, Here we go. Okay. So this picture is one that I just love because it gives me a lot of hope. And one of the things that we really want to focus on is our gut health because it really influences a lot of functions of our body. And it says here how your body rebuilds itself in less than 365 days. And I know that this doesn't include everything, but just the idea that your entire body totally rebuilds itself in less than 2 years and 98% of it in less than 365 days, that is amazing. That is like very hopeful. And every cell in your body eventually dies and is replaced by new cells. So that's an opportunity for us every day to build a new body. And we can go into the different areas, but I wanted to focus on the stomach lining. And if you're like me, sometimes you feel your digestion needs an overhaul, or if you're experiencing persistent stomach discomfort, bloating, if that's affecting you, frequently dealing with indigestion or heartburn, those are some of the things that we're going to be talking about. Okay, so the particular this particular area of your stomach lining, first of all, if the stomach lining can heal if given the chance, and it's best if you're not taking prescription medication. And it takes about 5 days for the epithelial cell lining of the stomach to completely rebuild itself. So there's no surprise given their rough life of breaking down food. So this lining is what helps us digest and make our food useful for us to turn it into new cells and energy. And it's important that it's given the right things. So what I'm going to talk about here is what is a 5-day gut reset. That's rebuilding the lining of your stomach. We all know that when we do take prescription drugs, they are absorbed into our stomach lining, and also in order to be able to do that, the blood has to take them in to the lining, and it can perforate the lining. So a lot of times there's different side effects that come with that. So number one is in this 5-day rebuild is removing foods that feed harmful bacteria and cause inflammation. And probably number one would be sugar. I'm not going to go into a whole lot there. Number two is introducing plenty of prebiotic foods, which feed beneficial bacteria. So we have a lot of, our body has a lot of bacteria. There's good bacteria and there's bad bacteria. And we want to have more of an overabundance of good bacteria. So these would be things like yogurt or kefir. And also one of the things mentioned is to use a probiotic to balance the gut bacteria. And that's what we're going to focus on. And then also encouraging healthful practices just such as getting enough sleep and exercise and staying hydrated. All those things work together. So the particular product that I want to talk to you about is this Restore. And it's not just a probiotic, it's a pre, pro, and postbiotic. And let me explain in looking at the capsule here. The outer capsule hosts the prebiotic FOS plus the postbiotic and bacteriophages. Okay, so actually the capsule is healthful. Inside the outer capsule is the time-release inner capsule, which holds the 24 strains of the probiotic. Now they're all listed here, and we can go into them in more detail. There's 18 billion CFUs of probiotics of good bacteria, and they consist of 24 active cultures for optimal microbiome. So I keep my bottle in the fridge and I take it first thing in the morning. So the prebiotic help maintain the microbial balance by encouraging the growth of good bacteria and selecting and attacking the bad bacteria. So the postbiotic bioactive compounds produced from healthy bacteria support the healthy immune responses in digestion. And then there's metabolites, and they're produced by the bacterial strains that support the skin health, respiratory system, immunity, and healthy inflammatory responses. Okay, so in the first few weeks, there is an initial adaptation and internal balancing. And then the first couple months, I noticed improvements in my gut health and overall energy levels. And that by the third month and beyond, there is an optimal metabolic function that takes place. So this is something that is over time. So it's important to be consistent, to take the lid off, to make it a habit. I do it first thing in the morning, and I've really noticed a difference with this. Also, here are some of the reasons that you might want to take it. These are all the different strains that I mentioned I would share. And if you'd like a copy of either one of those, just message me and let me know or email me. But it's a proprietary blend of 30 plus 24 bioactive compounds of pre, pro, and postbiotic to help the microbiome in your gut. So I would highly recommend this, to do this. There is the 10 reasons to take this. It helps to enhance your gut barrier integrity, and it helps with micronutrient synthesis and helps to support your skin health, your metabolism, your absorption of food. You have a unique 30 pre, pro, and postbiotic and bacterial phages. It supports the health of the intestine and the colon and digestive stressors. It's great to use when traveling to boost your digestive immunities, and it's easy to use. You only have to do it once a day, and it is double and layer encapsulated. So it's designed to ensure a live active culture to be released in the small intestine, which is what we want. Okay, another thing that I was just thinking of, if you do take antibiotics, it takes a long time to be able to get your gut biome back to what it should be. And if you're on for a long time, sometimes it can take up to a year to 2 years to get that back. So this is really, really important. And if you'd like just there's also an additional one that is activated in water, and actually little kids like to take it, and it's great for them, like what are they called? The pixie sticks. And this particular, it's an extra probiome gut complex. And I'm happy to share this little chart with you with exactly what is in it. But it supports healthy digestive and immune system function at any age. And this is the little packet. It looks like this, and you just rip the top off. I put it with my collagen that I take in the morning, or you can just take it in your mouth. But it combines 13 probiotic strains in one prebiotic fiber, and then the FOS for gut health colonization. But it contains no gluten. It's an excellent way to assist your gut in being healthy. And you can get the sachets there. I think there's 2 or 3 of these sachets. Now this is different than the capsule. This is the capsule. This is a little sachet, and yes, you can use them both. So it's like $5 if you'd like me to send you one of those. I would be happy to do that. Okay, then the second product that I wanted to talk about that heals the gut and helps to digest the food is the digestion Enzyme. And it's a powerful combination of whole food enzymes. It supports optimal health by promoting more efficient digestion. So what I do is I can either take a couple before I eat. If I forget, I even can take them after I eat. And then if I am more constipated, I would take a couple of these before bedtime. And each serving provides your body with 10 active whole food enzymes and supports mineral cofactors that are required for healthy digestion. And it helps with the digestion of proteins, fats, complex carbohydrates, sugar, and fiber. So for example, this little chart over here of everything that it does. The protease breaks down protein to peptides and amino acids. The papaya or papain breaks down protein. They break down just everything that I just explained. So they have each and every one in here, and there's about 12 different things that help to break down the food. So if you were to take this, say you had some oatmeal and you took a capsule and you put it in your oatmeal, it would almost turn it to liquid. So if you're trying, as we grow older, we don't have the same amount of enzymes that we need. And so to make our food beneficial to us, these enzymes will do that and make it so that our gut can receive it better and make better use of it to give us healthier digestion and metabolism, and converting our nutrients into energy and GI comfort and food tolerance. So if I have like pizza or something like that, I'll be sure and take a couple of the Terrazyme. I keep them like in a little baggie in my purse so that I have those when I need them. So these powerful digestive enzymes support the body's constant production of enzymes that are critical of healthy biochemical functions, including digestion of food, nutrients, and cellular metabolism. Like I said, converting that into energy. Okay, and it has like an emotional effect. It's called simplification, which I love because out of small things, great things come about. So the emotional part is it helps to break things down to simple parts. Assimilation of small things breaks it and releases the old. So it also helps to reduce inflammation, and it's amazing. It does contain a tummy tamer blend of peppermint, ginger, and caraway, but that would be in an herbal form. It doesn't have any essential oils in it, but it has 10 active whole food enzymes and helps with food tolerance, and helps to manage toxic waste products. And you have to try them. So okay, then I have created a little Rebuild Your Gut starter kit. So here is the Restore Pre, Pro, and Post Biotic. Then there is the Probiome Gut Complex, and then the Terrazyme, and then I added one of our yummy original peppermint and wild orange lip balms, and that's $125.50. So I always offer a free ebook. This is 5 hacks to gut and digestion, and also a digestive wellness program. So there are other products that are helpful, but I just wanted to focus on these few. and wanted to share with you this because these are things that I've tried that I absolutely can't live without, and they will make a big difference. So talk to me about them. Let me know what your particular areas that you're dealing with, and I'm happy to do a consult with you and help you to get on the right track. But consistency is the key. Making it a habit to take this each day helps, especially if you've been on antibiotics, and we all are on them off and on, and just want to be able to retain this health with this. So thanks for being on today, and look forward to seeing you next week.